Yo, what's up? Let's wait a little bit, few minutes, before I start with the stream. Yo, welcome. Let's go, let's build some views today. Yo, Vegeta, let's fucking go! Let's fucking go. Nice to see you here. My man, Vegeta is top G, fellas. This guy is big G, especially in crypto space. Like, if you don't know him, please go follow him. Man, he's a killer, for real. Anyway, let's wait for 1 minute, 2 minutes, just to bring more viewers, and I will start. Also, if you have any questions, yes sir, you will post the question. You're the G, bro. You're the G. And yes, I'm gonna discuss about my trading. Should you close it? I closed, so we'll go through it. Be here. Okay, I think I can start. So welcome guys on my live stream. We're gonna discuss about crypto, situation in crypto, about indices, everything. Maybe I'll show you or teach you a thing or two, and we will discuss what happened today and yesterday about my trading performance too. So let's dive in. So first thing first, we pumped on with Bitcoin on Easter. It was nice pump on Sunday. You see it, actually Monday, sorry. Beautiful pump. We pumped from this range. So as you can see, this was redistribution cycle. Also, how I knew it, if you remember, we have 77k entry and we will TP around 92, so it was 7-hour trade. If you remember, that was massive trade. So let's discuss a little bit why we get into that trade, how we catch it here, and yes. So first thing first, overall, the one thing that many people, I don't know if actually anyone do that, but if you remember Power 3, the rules, so basically we talk about candles, right? And I don't in November Trump won the elections, right? And he get president, and here we get the peak. Here he made his meme coin, so it was like top signal. It's fine, he extract liquidity, blah blah, and he had to crush the market. But if you check out with literally 12 months candle, which means it was a yearly candle, I'm gonna delete it. So okay, so what do we do in open in first quarter? So basically January, February, March, we actually dumped market, and we dumped to 74k, which is enough. It's not perfect aligned with efficiency here, it is not perfect, but I think it's pretty much enough. We will not see lower moves. So we dumped, we fulfill equilibrium of the gap, not exactly equilibrium, but close, very close. A lower time frame, we have finesses why it didn't come fully here. That will be 69k, but on lower time frame we fulfill because of the reason in price action here. Anyway, we dumped. So basically what we have, open, dump, and what's happening now is distribution. So we have open, accumulation, manipulation, we have here, and then we will be having distribution, and we will probably in end of year close around here, 120. Maybe higher, depends. I will not predict the levels. I'll rather react. But this is what everybody missed out. Nobody I guess I didn't see on X or anyone talking about this, but I was thinking like a few nights ago, why Trump dumped the market? What's the reason? Then I remember about Power of Three, and I was like, oh my goodness, it was so fucking simple, it's so easy. Oh my goodness. Anyway, this was by chart analysis, and everything. If you go with chart analysis like this, Power of Three rules, blah 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 blah, you will see that everything aligns with fundamental part of the game. Literally fundamental, with the news and everything, what Trump was doing, what war, China, blah 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 blah. It was just titles for price to do what it has to do. I mean, why is this happening? This is type of pattern that happens because of people emotions, and it will repeat over and over and over again. It's simple, yes, it is simple, but it is very hard because we are humans too. We're gonna do many emotional errors, so it will make mistakes here. It is what it is. We move on. So basically, if we so on the monthly chart, you see here was equilibrium, and we didn't exactly fulfill, but it is. Okay, can you hear me? Let me know if you can hear me. I had a phone call, sorry. Brother called me. Yes, Vegeta, my man. So, basically on lower time frame, when you dissect from yearly candle to lower time frames, you will see the reasons why price didn't fulfill efficiency on yearly. It doesn't matter. So basically, let's go on the weekly. I can't wait to go with weekly, but actually daily it's much more beautiful. So I wanna focus maximally. So if you remember this type, I knew that the bottom is here. Why? Because we have similar fractal here. Similar fractal here. Wait. It was on weekly, yeah. Wait. Yes. See, this similar fractal. It was just on daily here, and actually it's very similar. Yes, fractal. Okay. Fuck. Sorry. Nice. Anyway, when you have bottom structure, we will always have, not always 80%. We're gonna have 3 drives. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and as you can see, we didn't sweep. So 3 drives. Why 3 drives? I guess 369 numbers from Tesla actually works, and this is pattern that actually works pretty much because you fake once, you fake twice, and third time everyone is liquidated, and then that's the time when you pump the market. So basically like this. Anyway, if we watch H4, if you remember, I was calling bottom here literally from Thursday. As you can see, beautiful change state of delivery. We come here, then I tell you that we're gonna get retraced, so don't get horny, as everyone get horny, even me. I have to admit I was horny, and I was not in market. That was like, what the fuck, why you are fucking horny? But we got retracement, perfect trade, and we passed and make a ton of percentage here. So when we come here, that week was very illiquid week. As you can see, consolidation. And this week screw many guys, including me, because it was no news week, it was holiday week, and pretty much illiquid, and we survived the range. And I fumbled long here. I've really fumbled longs here, and I told you on Easter that we were gonna have this type of shit. And if you check out my X, really, so I have all proof. If you check out here, I tell you that type of shit gonna happen. So this was the trade, cool. Anyway, this was funny. Pope died and the price Bitcoin come to 88 and then pushed even more. So here it is. We've been in the range, and I said expect the unexpected because we didn't break down. We had USD divergence. So you see the lows here, and you see how we take the high. So it's inverse, and if you click, I don't know, I think it's Alt and I, but on Mac is Option and I. If you click it, you will see how divergence here. So we've been talking about this range, and you check Bitcoin, this H4. So you see that divergence here. Opa. You see here, bam. Bitcoin hold the line, absorb all sell orders. Everyone's trying to sell because it was actually obvious to get retracement like this. And I honestly expected some retracement. 81 would be on weekly retracement, but we front run it. We hit here, okay, and bam, we got massive pumps and TP are hit. And right now, what I'm looking for is short. Why? I'm gonna focus on here. So why I need to get my USDT back. Oh, nice. Ooh. Okay, so why I'm looking for the short? Okay, we had massive expansion, right? And we take major liquidities, but we front run this one, 94. So why we didn't hit 94? Maybe we can hit it, okay. I cannot guarantee that something gonna happen, but with 80%, I do believe we're gonna actually front run this level to make retracement. We even take the lows, but to make retracement, make price efficient. So maybe we will not come to 88. It will be most beautiful, but maybe we will not. So what you're gonna do is use this fair value gap, equilibrium of the fair value gap, as your level. So we can, from 90k to 88 is level of retracement that I'm interested in. The thing is, what I don't like is weekly candle. If you check out, we have flat open. That's what I don't like, and we gonna revisit probably sooner than we expect. So to actually handle this, we need body closes the higher as much as possible. And also, as you can see, we took this weekly candle, so I think we did enough. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe we actually go directly to 100k. Fine. That flat open, it's a mental play around, and we still, sorry guys, we still have this order block to be retraced. So what can happen is actually from hitting 100k, let's say 100k, as big round number for people, come here and then come here. This will be the play of the year. Play of the year, really. Will it happen? I don't know. I can't tell you. We need more confirmation. So for now, today I was trying to short Solana, and I will show you what I was doing. So basically, right now in this consolidation, this doesn't do the best right now, especially the structure. We need lower close on this candle for more shorts. The thing is, we swept this candle and react automatically with the fend 92, which is nice. Now we are cooking. So it looks like similar bar pattern, right? So basically like I need brush, I need to be faster. So bar pattern is something like this and dump. So maybe we're gonna cook here and dump. Okay, so we don't know it. Let's see if we have divergence. Values the dominance is cooking, but not the best. We need rejection and push from upside, so we can make price efficient here to continue down. Okay, so that's for USD dominance. Bitcoin, okay. We have divergence with Ethereum, and I don't know why I short Solana, why I didn't short Ethereum, guys. Jesus Christ. Even I said in morning I should add position to Ethereum, and I did not. Yeah, you will get pissed off if you trade. Especially if you copy my trades, you will get pissed off in these small finesses. It's like, oh my goodness. Okay, so let's move on something very interesting to check out what's happening. So let me see if you can hear me. Yeah. Much low, okay. Nice to see you. Okay, cool. So what I like to use is coin analyze. So perp from Binance mostly, it shows me solid indication. So I like to use CVD divergence and open interest to check out what's happening. So as you can see, let's give 15 minutes. I would like to discuss this range. So from this high, look at the spot, bro. Oh my goodness. Oof. Oh my goodness, this gonna die as fuck. Ayo, yeah, but Mike. Oof. Sorry guys. Okay, fellas. So this means that we're gonna make some money again. Fuck. I said I will not take any trades. Gee, fuck. I have to respect my word. Damn. Anyway, what's gonna happen? This is very interesting. No, not gonna lie. So, right now we have big spot selling, huge, and spot taking even profits, and you can see how we bleeding with open interest. Also, futures are handling this price right now. So basically, we actually have the bear pattern. Yes, this not gonna fly because spot doesn't have momentum to push price upside, because who gonna buy it at 93k? So mechanically we are creating high of the week, and it's Thursday, and sorry for this. So we have another confirmation that we're gonna actually going lower, or if actual spot start to bind, that would be very impressive. If spot starts actually building momentum to upside, then we're gonna run 200k, but I don't think so. So it's just a matter of time that we die here. Okay, cool. So we have also divergence with Ethereum, as you can see, Ethereum going down. So Solana, what happened here? Damn. So basically we had short this, and it was nice short, and we fulfilled this gap, and sadly we price technically is pretty much efficient here, and this was actually good TP. Vegeta closed, I think Vegeta closed short here. Nice. So I should close it, yes, but in my mind I was like, don't be a bitch and double down. And okay, I was like, okay, let's make that money. Yeah, why not? So in this momentum, I was looking indices, and I saw the beautiful strength, and I'm gonna look at this. Look at this, guys. Oh my goodness. Like, what the? So we touched the gap, and this shit happens a few times to me, but in Forex, never in Nasdaq. So this is also a lesson in there for me, because I pretty much never traded Nasdaq. I was always Bitcoin or Euro dollar. Now I'm everything, so I have to be in. And many times in Euro you will see tapping the gap, this gap, and then just rampage. So we had beautiful high. It's not high of the week, sadly. We had beautiful short here, and this break even sadly killed me. So this short was 2R, and this trade was break even, while it should be past the phase. But it is what it is. So I was on promotion of my friend closing the he finishing college and everything, university, so it's fine. And in that time it was like 1:30, so 30 minutes, let's say 30 minutes before news, and I was seeing this price action. So this is actually MSU. MSU is fake money, a fake market structure shift. So it's called manipulation setup. So it means this: you have break in structure, then you have another break, as you can see, another low, and we break another structure. So it is fake market structure shift. I mean MSU. I'm talking about this, not about what happened here. And we had CSD on M15, but it wasn't aligned with the time. That was fucked up, and we rejected like this, and I was like, okay, this is gonna run higher. But to be fair, I didn't expect this much higher. I was thinking about taking this liquidity pool and continuation down for fulfilling this gap, but no, price decided to go upside. It's fine. And when I was thinking about Solana, this short, Nasdaq was something here, and it showed beautiful strength. So that was mistake. That was my mistake, because crypto is actually better to Nasdaq. That's the issue. So as you can see, spot is selling, but price is holding. So ETF and everything is holding the price. So what happened is I didn't wait for this candle to be closed. What happened at the moment when I was taking the trade, this candle was created down here, but it didn't close, and I didn't saw, and I was walking, and I was like, oh shit, I had to send this is like good trade, FOMO in, and then send you in the Telegram, and I was like, let's go. And what happened is I didn't check out the close. So body closes are so fucking important, and I'm trying to trade everywhere where I can, but sometimes you need peace and patience. So I didn't check out. This was my mistake, and next candle I see I actually get stopped out, and I was like, fuck, what the fuck, sorry fellas. And here I get stopped out on break even, because I get stopped out here, so I didn't want to lose more money. So fear of losing money, yes, that shit happens. So what's gonna happen here? Well, if we are expecting more downside, the only thing that from here we're gonna either die, or because we are inside of TOT, we take this internal high, maybe we take this internal high, or we're gonna take this high and then die. Or if I'm completely wrong, we just gonna keep running higher. If I'm completely wrong. But my bias right now is just for going down. And if Bitcoin start to going down, but it seems it doesn't. But like, these are so, oh my goodness, this is majestic. When actually Nasdaq keep pushing price of Bitcoin. Amazing thing, really amazing. Anyway. Should you close trade if you are in this trade? I'm out. That's the issue. I still think we should go lower. Really, I still think we should go lower. So let's see what's gonna happen. And we are close to the week. So yes, we took major liquidity pool here, and we got retracement. And it will be very sad if this is actually retracement. Really, it will be for me very sad. But really, it can happen. It can get front runned. Also, we have many gaps to be source of liquidity, to also this low resistance liquidity. So it's all traversal pattern. So what does it mean? It means that there is no resistance in price. There is no wall. There is no absorption. There is no limits that would absorb buying pressure. Okay. That's why it's low resistance liquidity runs, and it will go fly easy, very easy. Okay. Let's see. Bitcoin is very interesting, guys. Nah, I'm not gonna lie, it's very interesting, especially when spot is selling that much. Oof. It's not the best signal for going up. So if I think we need a lot of liquidity to break 95. 95 is actually huge round number. And it's big number too, psychological. So if we break it, then damn, that's damn, really. And okay, so that's pretty much it. Pozdrav, nuke everything, I agree. How did BAM go that much low? So about BAM, so when I trade challenge phases 1, 2, I'm trying to push faster with risking 2% per account, not 1% or 0.5 and crumbling around. No, I'm trying to bet more, risking more to get to the goal. Yes, if you hit 2 losses in a row, you lose 4%. Yes, that happened today. It is what it is. Break even week again. It could be past phase 1, even past phase 2, if I makes just one choice different, not hitting, not putting on break here. It will be different game, guys. Different game, guys. Still, I think Bitcoin gonna die from here, and sadly I cannot trade because I said myself, I said in my Telegram, no, I will not execute it anymore. So it is what it is. Sometimes price will attract you. It will be like magnet to you. So you will feel something like I have to take a fucking trade. But I'm better than that, so I'll say no in closing trading week. So expectation is Bitcoin down, Solana also down. Also, if we don't close with candle above this high trade, easy trade. Ethereum, why I didn't short this bitch, man. Best coin for short, for real. Okay, Nasdaq has to lose momentum here, so we took a lot of liquidities here, and that's actually good. That's actually good for crypto overall. Really, it's good because it shows strength in indices, and it means that we're gonna either continue push this week, or we're gonna push next week, and May is a month of. I was thinking about May, thinking like month of buying, but maybe since we are a little bit late, but it can happen everything. So yes, guys, feel free to ask any questions. Why I don't trade alts? Good question. Easy answer. Alts are not liquid enough, and because it's illiquid, it will disrespect everything you trade, and it's very ugly chart. Trading XRP, fucking no. Dot, bro, you will get wrecked here probably. Will they along here? Nah, no chance. Atom, I'll probably wrecked here. Especially if I short everything, I will die. So basically, I will today die on if I trade alts. And it's fine to see rotation from Bitcoin to alts, but you see, inject, nice. Let's see, Rune is still alive, nice. Bit. Ooh, actually, this is actually pretty much fair enough trade. So basically, it's beautiful OT trade. Would I execute it? Absolutely no. Why I'm not executing anything of this is the reason that I trade only majors, because these majors actually it's enough. It's really enough to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. I don't trade BNB. BNB is a different animal, different breed, and I still cannot predict what CZ gonna do. So basically, you have three pairs here. You have euro, dollar index, gold, even euro. Oh my god, guys, what euro did? Oh, look what euro did to me. Another bro, like this was passing trade. Look at this. Now for real, someone is like literally playing with my mind. So it's very unlucky week for me. When it's something unlucky, there is fucking unlucky, and this was very unlucky, really. So it is what it is. This trade, oh my goodness, like what to say. If you survived in this short, I'm so happy for you. You make the 3.6R easy as fuck, beautiful take profit. Anyway, we continue going. You have dollar index, you have GPP. I don't trade GPP. Also, I missed this trade, beautiful trade. Anyway, I use GPP just to see what euro is doing, or maybe indication what euro should do. Gold, you have gold, and I'm thinking about buying some future account just for gold trading and betting pretty much strong, big. And you have indices. You have 3 pair of indices, so I think it's enough to have 9 pairs to trade with. Okay, so if I can make top here, that would be lovely. That would be lovely, very lovely. Okay, everyone is expecting that. That's why we will 95 is front run level. You will see. We will front run 95. We won't hit it. We will go deep down. Yes, absolutely. Short, Bitcoin short. Absolutely agree. Yes, it's easiest to be general after battle, right? And I can say whatever. I shall put more space, yes. And technically I put the space, so stop loss should be here. This was my low high, that was safe high. That was my high. It was SMT divergence. And in case I would want sweep more, I put it here. It is what it is. I thought it was enough 2 pips more. Yes. This time it wasn't, and it is what it is. What to say? This shit happens, and it's gonna happen to you many times. Anything on spot? I'm holding some things, but to be fair, this drop in crypto overall to said me why don't bet on myself, Lavi man. Why don't bet on myself and my trading? I mean, I'm showing up every fucking day, burning fucking my eyes on these fucking charts. Why I wouldn't actually full margin bet on me and my trading? Because when I put money on my spot, I lost 90% of my portfolio. 90. So basically everything what I worked for whole year, like last year, I lost it in 2 months. Yes, I mean, I'm honest and I admit that. And I was like close to get back on my job. Yes. So those are actually lessons for me. I rather bet on myself and trusting myself and believing in myself than actually bet on spot. But spot, in the end, is just a trade. You know, it's a trade. Probably my portfolio hit all stop losses. Like, look, all my trades died. I don't wanna say what I did bad, but from memes to alts, yes, everything died. So yes, that's why I rather focus. Those are lessons. That's why I focus on majors. And yeah, you should create strategy guide. I have actually a few. Thank you, my man. Thank you. I mean, we're gonna pass. No worries. You know, many fellas, to be fair, expecting from me 100% win rate, really, and that's impossible. I'm not that great. Maybe one day I'll make 100% win rate, but that's technically impossible. But sometimes impossible can be possible. But I don't bet on that. So my average percentage of passing challenges is pretty high. It's like on live, not in personal, on live. I think it's 70%. I need to check it out. I need to calculate. I will do that homework later. But 50% of passing. So one challenge you pass, second one you don't, third one you pass. So that's normal thing. And if you fail phases, it's actually normal, a healthy thing. The thing is, you need to have liquidity enough to buy another challenges, right? And get with profits. Anyway, hard time for full year Bitcoin scenario, 120k distribution. So basically, I mean, don't get me wrong. Right now I'm betting on. I would bet. So right now I'm not in trades. I will bet on retracements. I want retracements so we can on yearly candle pump to 120 or even higher, depends. So I still think we're gonna close very strong. Yes, we make low of the year. Sorry guys, I'm a little bit tired. So yes, also something important is your mental capacity. Trading live, trading in front of you, showing and seeing 50 people actually copy your trades, it's massive thing. It is a massive responsibility to do this. Few fellas actually do this, and I respect them, and I can say their names, and it will be probably 6 of them. And this is actually pretty hard, bro, guys. Really, trust me. Showing all profits, all losses, and knowing that people actually losing money is pretty, like, how to say, responsibility. So yes. My Telegram. And for Telegram, this Telegram, it is actually, wait, it's on my profile. It's on my only 4 likes, guys. Come on, jump and like my tweet. Come on, 20. I need 50. Come on, guys. I need to like this. Nice. Anyway, let me send you. Look, my dog Simba. Okay, this is the link. So here it is. Okay. Do you have journal and how? My journal is my Telegram, and that's my best journal. I had few journals, and yes, I'm not best at that in terms of pushing myself to be consistent and journal something. But when I have 50 people who trades and watching my trades, and 70 people actually consistently watching, it's not 700, it's like 400, let's say 400 actually watching what the fuck I'm doing, then it's a good journal, really good journal. Unknown trader. Push me, guys. Feel free to push. Okay. So let's see what's happening with Nasdaq. Okay. So right now we are probably, it says then on H1. That's nice. And we are at PM. So potentially we can actually. Oh, you see daily closes. So now it's question. If we reject like this, we even take the high. Damn, that's what the previous Paco was right. Fuck it. Okay. If we close below this, we're gonna dump again for this, for gap, and all shorts here will be massive, guys. We will gonna retrace whole pump after all. So if Nasdaq actually close daily below, so we're gonna dump here. That will be nice, but it doesn't say. I mean, we wait, we need to close. So after we taking high, I was thinking about automatically betting on rejection, so like mechanical retracement, but it was going for the weekly liquidity, previous weekly high, actually previous 2 weeks, yes. And I didn't want to see that, and we actually saw it, so it is what it is. So that's why I take an L and closing my trading week. Yes, no, 4K. Also, I really recommend you Crypto Phone Trader as usual. So how to make money the best way. Also, if you wanna follow my trades, sure. We have Easter promos, so feel free to take it. So I'll buy my self account, and we're gonna buy something unique, ascending. So basically it means, let's say 100k. So if we reach target on 100k, we will automatically get paid 4k, and account will be closed, but you got the fucking money, guys. So this is really the best thing that Crypto Phone Trader can provide, except good trading cryptos and everything, good leverage, really the most cleanest prop firm right now. But this is like massive, guys. Like literally you pass phase 1, pass phase 2, and you're free to get payout, not doing another 5%, 6%. Like you need to create 5% to get this money, because it's 80 split 80-20, you know. So this is actually massive, and I'm gonna take it. So it is 15% off, so it will be nice. And I wanna push myself with ascending as much as possible, so I'll take 50k again and get 2k, and we'll do challenge again with 420. I need to test Bybit, so we'll test it. I'm really interested if I can trade FX on Bybit. I think I cannot, but it's nice. Okay, guys. I think I'm gonna. Oh my god, we're gonna dump so much, guys. No. If you, oh, boy, I wanna short it so bad, guys. Not gonna lie. Anyway, where are you? Okay. So these are recommendations. Nice, good job. Thank you, fellas. Thank you. That's why. I mean, I wanna do something that. I wanna create some sort of legacy. I wanna build something that some big challenge. Big challenge is showing every fucking trade before executing it and closing it, and showing everything, the whole journey, so you can actually copy it and betting on me, technically. And I wanna make something that one guy did it, and I'm really proud of that guy. So the guy is JetCap. I really respect this guy. This guy managed to get 1 million from 200 payouts. Massive respect, and he has all receipts, so that's nice. I'm not on 1 million. I'm below 100k. But I want to make 1 million in payout, but showing every trade. That's a different game. I think it's very different game. Also, what he managed is to actually 2.5 mil from Apex. Some very nice, good guy. Respect. So that's something what I wanna make with you guys, actually live, and it's hard. Yeah, it's hard, especially when it's a liquid week and it's boring, like previous week, and I don't have a trade, but I have to execute something. So yes. So if you follow me, don't follow for reason of making money. I mean, it's obviously, but follow because of the journey of one guy, me, who wanna make something in his life, make the name, make the legacy. I don't wanna be like everybody else. To be fair, I'm not scammer. Why I'm doing this is just your payment is actually your attention for me, and because of it I can get. I follow to copy. So because of you I can get salaries from other firms and everything else. That's how I work, and not taking any money from you. That's the big difference, guys. That's the big difference. So if you let's say when I will quit. Probably I will never quit. Probably. I said myself, trading is probably only one thing that you will never quit. So I will be something like Warren Buffett. And I like to bet. I like to bet on people. I like to bet on something and predicting. Yes. And if you know, Vegeta knows how many things I predicted, and he was like, oh my goodness. So also you are here because of my good predictiveness. And yes. So fellas, I think I'm gonna close my stream. Yeah, we can do education. I agree, Vegeta. I agree. We can do some edu streams too. 150 views. I hope next year we're gonna see 1,000 views. And thank you for following my journey, guys. It means a lot to me. Really, it means. And so this week we are over with trading. So if you're on trades, it's up to you, not my responsibility, it's yours. And I will update ya with my opinions. So oh my goodness, this is gonna die. I don't. Oof. This shit gonna die, man. Why? Yo, when you have that feeling in your stomach, that's the trade. That's the trade. Thank you, thank you. Feel free to be in Telegram, and we gonna talk there. And see ya next time. Maybe tomorrow educational stream. We'll see. Depends on my time. Also, tomorrow is Friday, and it's time for some vodka, guys. It's time for getting wrecked. Haha. Okay. I'm gonna get drunk and then make stream. That would be nice. Okay, guys. Thank you, and bro, imagine me drunk and trading live. Okay, that's not a bad idea actually. I'll put hand. I mean, nah, it's better go to casino. It's time for vodka, bro. Red Bull vodka, that's the best thing ever. I mean, I'm from Croatia, so rakia is here the best shit. Really, it's the best shit. It's like shots, and these small shots warm up you when it's cold and kill ya like nothing else. Anything. Anyway, I wanna. This is the picture. Tomorrow is my day, guys. Actually, Sunday. No, Saturday. We're gonna get drunk, so I'll send you some pictures of bidding on Grey Goose. We blow up the account. Maybe we make 10x on account. Who knows? We'll see what's happened. I had to actually, respect my word. That's the thing I'm working on, respecting my word and my decision. That's why you trust in me. But it would be very funny. Maybe challenge $100. Anyway, fellas, thank you and see ya next time. Bye bye.